Just take a look at this. 13,291 sales at 369 Rand each. That is over 4.9 million Rand generated off this simple little PowerPoint course over here. If I convert this to dollars, we just divide this by 15, that's over $327,000 made off a simple PowerPoint presentation course. This is just minimum sales. Let's be generous and say 50% of the people that took this course reviewed it. That means he could have over 25,000 actual sales with this course, which could be over $500,000. And I can tell you that is an absurd amount of money just to be made of a simple PowerPoint presentation course. On top of this, guys, I've got an epic bonus for you guys where I'm going to teach you how you can go and source all of this content for your course without recording it yourself, without even showing your face. On top of that, multiple ways to go and monetize your course. And I mean, these people over here are not making hundreds of thousands of dollars. They are making millions of dollars online with these simple course programs over here. Keep in mind, some of these programs were posted back in 2015, 2016. So these people are not only making money for the next day, the next week, the next month, they are making money for the next few years ahead. And that's what you want, that true passive income for the next few years. The third module, I'm going to show you how you can go and scale your course using the Udemy algorithm once you've got some traction from that to even scale big time with Facebook ads and Google ads. And then finally, how to go and automate all of your course's content. If you want to learn how to go and put something like this together, it's super important that you watch each and every step that I'm going to explain on the screen over here in this video, because most people click on these kind of videos, watch the first minute or two, click off, and then comment down below, the strategy doesn't work, when they only watched 10% of the video and didn't even give it a try. So if you really want to succeed at this, I really suggest watch this video until the end. I mean, as you can see over here, these people are not making tens of thousands of dollars. They're not making hundreds of thousands of dollars. They have built million-dollar businesses selling these kind of courses, not only through course sales, but also through affiliate links and multiple other streams of income. The first thing you're going to do is come over to Google and search for PLR, which stands for private label rights, which is any kind of content. It's mainly digital content such as videos, ebooks, media, songs, music, which you are given the right to either give away, claim, resell, and make profits on these kind of ebooks and digital content. My favorite platform to go and use is idplr.com over here, which has over 12,590 different PLR products, which you are allowed to resell and keep 100% of the profits. Now guys, this is basically a gold mine of money waiting to be made online on this website over here. If you hover over products and hover over videos, these are tons of reputable courses that you can go and sell, give away, claim as your own, do what you like with, rebrand, make it your own course. You can do as you like. If I come over to video courses over here under resell rights, take a look at this. List Building Profit Kit Video Upgrade. This is an entire reputable video course that will teach you how to go and build your email list and make money off of that. Over here, we've got 3 ways to make money with arbitrage, how to use webinars to benefit your business, making money with Amazon Video Direct, videos for profit, building a business out of Udemy, social media images creation. One of my favorites, the Bootstrap web development course. Something like this is very scarce. There's not a lot of people that is studying this kind of things. So this is a great course to go and offer. Snapchat course, also one of my favorites. Now what I suggest is go and download one of these or any one of these that really catch your attention. You can use any one of these. I'm going to go and use Snapchat course. If you go and click on this, this is a 17 video course that will teach you how to go and use Snapchat to build a profitable business online. When you're ready to download, just click on download over here and you will see it will download to your PC like this. Once this is downloaded, right click on the zip folder, click on extract here and click on the new folder, and you can go and view all the modules and videos in this course program. So if you have a look here, video bonus 1 to 7, you can see extra bonuses over here. And there are 2 different ways that you can go about this. There's one, the easy way that I don't recommend, is go and use this course as is, and you can go and post this on Udemy. Now, I don't recommend that because anybody has access to these kind of videos. Like I just showed you, I just downloaded it for free. Now, obviously, if someone is watching this course on Udemy and they see another 8 versions of it, obviously they're not going to watch it again and again. Number 2, I recommend this, and this is how to really scale and build a brand for yourself, is go and put in the extra effort to go and use a recording software like this over here called OBS, and go and record your own version of this course. You'll see if I open up module number 1 and I skip a bit, it's just a random person recording his screen without showing his face, giving a voiceover, teaching them step by step. So what I recommend is watch through this course yourself and go and make your own version of it. So go and Google free articles for wedding and talk about what he's talking about. For example, if I skip a bit more, here you can see wedding consultants in New York City. Just watch throughout this video, have a look at what he says, and make your own version of it. And you want to go and save this in a folder format like this. And once your course is ready for upload and made complete, we're ready to go and make money, which is going to be step number 3 over here. We now have our course sourced, created and made. Number 2 is to go and monetize our course and make money with affiliate links or through selling our actual course. So step number 2, to go and monetize and make money off our course, we're going to be going and using this platform over here called Udemy.com. Now I want to go and show you an example of this. For example, there are people making an astronomical amount of money doing this. This person over here who is teaching a basic course about Python, which is a coding language, which you can go and find on this website too, is selling his course at $279. He's had 17,212 reviews. Let's be generous and say 50% of the people that has taken this course have left a review. So that's on average 34,000 sales. Let's go 34,000 multiplied by 279, which is over 9.4 million Rand made off this course. If I divide this by 15, it will give you the dollar value, which is $632,400 made off this simple little course over here. And again, it's not showing his face. He's just recording his screen, explaining to you what he learned from Python, probably from another course that he took, just like you're going to be doing today. What I recommend is hover over the categories option over here, and you've got tons of categories to go and choose from. Development, web development, game development, software. These kind of courses usually do the best and make the most money. Business, finance, you've got cryptocurrency and blockchain. Investing and trading, IT and software, office productivity, personal development, design, marketing, lifestyle, photography and video, health and fitness. You've got every single niche that you can possibly think of. What I recommend is go and choose something that you're passionate about, something that you enjoy. Don't always go for the thing that you think pays the most money. Go for something that you enjoy. For example, when I was younger, I loved web development. I also loved IT and software. I also had a big thing. I was also big into photography. So although photography courses don't pay as near as much as web development courses, it's still something I really enjoyed and would have done. And on top of all of this, I'm going to go and show you how you can go and double down and double your income with this using affiliate links in your course. So once you've chosen the niche that you think you're happy with, you can go and sign up on Udemy, and you can come over to Teach on Udemy over here, and you can go click on Get Started, upload your course, and go and upload your different modules which you've saved on your PC like this. So you're obviously on your back end of Udemy, you're going to go and create each and every module, and this will be your video content. Remember, the one that you've remade, I don't recommend go and repost this one onto Udemy. Go and make your own version of the Snapchat course over here. Then what you can go and do is to really double down on this is come over to Google and search for a website called Clickbank.com, and I actually have the perfect affiliate product in mind specifically for the Snapchat course that you're going to be teaching. I'm just going to log in with my account and I'll meet you on the back end. On your Clickbank dashboard, click on Marketplace on the top left, come over to e-business and e-marketing, and it's this product right at the top. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Perfect affiliate product for your Snapchat course. Reason being because this is an affiliate program, not many like others, but it actually gives people the opportunity to get paid to use social media, which fits really well with your Snapchat course. So once you've posted your course onto Udemy over here, you can include at the beginning and at the end of your course, you've got a potential job opportunity for them. If you want to go and apply for this opportunity, link down below at the bottom of this course, and you leave your affiliate link over here here to this product, you will earn $37 per sale that you make, and it's got reoccurring billing, meaning you're going to be making a monthly commission every single month as well of affiliate commissions. What I suggest you do in the beginning is go and list your course on Udemy over here completely for free, just to get a few reviews in the beginning, a few positive 5-star reviews and comments. Once you start getting a bit of traction, people signing up, people giving good comments, go and add a price to your course, because you don't want to go and sell a course off the bat that has 0 reviews, 0 stars. No one is going to go and purchase your course. You want to make sure that you have a lot of reviews. While I was busy talking now, I noticed something pretty epic. Remember I spoke about over here the Bootstrap web development course on Udemy? Take a look at this. This lady over here who's doing this exact same thing has made over 174,000 reviews / minimum amount of sales on this course. Just take a look at how an absurd amount of money this is. If I go 174,003 reviews multiplied by 219 Rand, that is over 38 million Rand made just off this course. If I divide this by 15, that is over $2.5 million made on this simple Bootstrap course over here. And this person is now going to be making this kind of money for the next 2, 3, 4 years to come. And this is the exact same idea I just gave you in the beginning of this video of this Bootstrap web development course over here. The second thing we're going to be talking about is other Udemy courses for our course. So not only we can use IDPLR, we can come over to Udemy, go and search any category. For example, let's just take web development. If we scroll down, click on price and click on free, there are a whole bunch of free courses that you can go and take to maybe make your own version of. Also post that for free on Udemy and just go and charge for that later on. Again, you don't want to go and re-download these courses and re-upload them. You want to be unique and make your own version of this. Here you can see web design for web developers, build beautiful website course, over 31,000 signups on this course. This is a really good example to go and take. It's completely free to go and take this course. You'll see if I click on it, and here I can go and watch this entire course over here. I can go through each and every module, each and every section, which is about 5 to 6 videos. And this is exactly what your course is going to look like. And this is what I mean about the description. Under notes or overview, you can leave links to affiliate products from Clickbank, for example, the example I showed you over here, which you can also go and make money from. And I just want to say that if you're uncomfortable with recording your own videos or recording your own voice, then you need to get uncomfortable and do it. Because in order to get to places that you've never been, you need to get out of your comfort zone and do things that you've never done. Most people don't like these kind of videos where you have to make your own content, record your own voice, record your own face. I mean, here you don't even have to record your own face. All you need to do is just create your own version of these courses over here with your own voice. You can even use a voiceover tool if you want to, but I don't recommend that. I recommend use your own voice, but it's up to you. And like that, you can actually scale a very big business out of this. Like that person over here I showed you turned over 7 figures using a Bootstrap web development course. But what I'm going to do is to help you out even more. I'm going to leave my forex trading playlist over here. So what I do is I make my full-time active income off e-commerce, affiliate marketing, creating content, which I then invest a lot of that capital into forex to have my money make money for itself. So this can go hand in hand with forex trading over here on my strategies on how I predict the markets, how I take my profits out of the markets. It will really help you out in teaching you on how to have your money make money for itself. So go and click on this playlist over here and I'll see you over there.